forgot to center myself. I'm having issues today. And then I broke my microphone. I only got one stand here, one stand, one leg. I only have one leg to stand on today, so that's very upsetting to me. We're going to talk about Husky all-in-one traveling toolbox, I guess traveling toolbox, mobile toolbox. This is the deal here. I'm going to use the Home Depot site because that's where I purchased it, and I purchased this for my gal pal, my girlfriend, my lady friend, my feminine acquaintance, my female double ganger, and you get the idea, you get the drift. So basically, we don't work construction. We're normal Joe schmoes. I'm an IT guy when I get the chance, and she works in the medical field. So we are not on construction sites. So we're not bringing these to construction sites. So this review is to tell you that this is just using this at a residential home. It's not being beat up. It's not going to any place crazy. So I got this for her to help her get organized. She has used it to what I can see. She's put her tools in this stuff, and to me, it's a good way to organize things. The only complaint that she had that I heard is to the fact that it stacks. So if she needs to get something, she's got to unstack it and get to what she wants. I don't see that as a big deal. I have used it like a ratchet set I had to get. So she actually put a ratchet, all her bits in this thing, and I had to tighten a screw on her mower. So I just grabbed all the bits, because I wasn't 100% sure what the bit size was. So I just grabbed this unit. It wasn't that big a deal. I took a couple off and just grab that. So if that's a big deal to you, take that into consideration, that it is stackable. And if you want to get to something on the bottom, you do have to unstack it. So to me, it's not a big deal. I don't think it's too much of a big deal to her. It's just she mentioned it, so I thought I'd mention it to you. So I did a search as far as this is concerned. I'm going to stick to the Home Depot site, as I said. I did do a search as far as pricing is concerned. It seems Home Depot is the best price to what I can find. I went here to look, and I don't even see it here as for sale. I mean, there's this right here, but there's no price to it. So there's no buying options or anything as far as that's concerned. So I don't know if that's pending for someone to list it. I have no idea, but I'm getting Amazon out of here. This deal with Walmart, I don't know if you can get it in the store itself. So if you're not aware, just like Amazon.com, you can go on as a seller and sell stuff. And I believe that's what's happening. This is coming from McNeely Product Ventures. This is coming from WBE Ventures. So just in comparison, this is a Husky. These are 2 drawers, and I did purchase that. I'm going to talk about in a minute. $42.98 there, and $75 there, and free shipping for Home Depot. I actually had to order this from Home Depot because they didn't have it in their store. It only took a couple days, and the shipping was free. So keep that in mind. Same deal with this. Here's another piece that I picked up for my lady friend to go with her stackable toolcase. $51.49 there. So if you go over to the Home Depot, $36.98. So again, that's a reseller on the Walmart site. I don't know if you can go to Walmart and actually get these. I did a little shopping online first through the Googles, and I decided that the Home Depot was the best. Now, I don't have an affiliate links for this stuff through Home Depot yet. I just applied for an affiliate links through this. So if you see, I'll put links down at the bottom for the Home Depot products, but they may be affiliate links, meaning if you click on the links below and you make a purchase, then that will be a kickback to my channel and myself, and I appreciate very much if you would do that to help out the channel. Most appreciated. So we'll see what happens with that, but for right now, they're not affiliate links, but I will put these links down in the description. So let's go back to the main unit. So you get 3 pieces with the main unit, and it was about $100 plus tax. So it's very cool. As you can see, this is kind of like a big opening, and I'm going to show you, instead of going through it all, let's show you. The audio is not great on there, so I'm going to do an audio overview of it as we go. So let's check out the product. All right, I'm going to narrate over this because the audio did not come out very well when I was filming. I was filming with my phone on this thing. So this is the Husky mobile toolbox. And as you can see, I'm just demonstrating the ease of how it rolls. It's not very heavy. And it comes with 3 pieces. The one that I bought comes with 3 pieces, and I'll show you the other piece in just a moment. But as you can see, those 2 pieces unhook pretty easy. This is pretty much a toolbox. She's actually got stuff that she put in there. It's pretty light to grab, and so I can kind of lean it to a way. She's got crap in there. Not very heavy, and you can just take that with you. If you just need the toolbox, you just take it off the mobile unit, and just like a normal toolbox, right? You just take it wherever you need it, baby. And it's very sturdy. It's pretty heavy plastic, durable plastic. I shouldn't say heavy plastic. This is the bottom. This has got a big compartment to store other things, and as you can see, the handle goes up and down with so you can store it pretty easily, or if you need to move it along, make it a little mobile, roll it along to wherever you're working, you can do that as well. And it just kind of snaps in place. There's little snap brackets on the either side. You can see they're gray in this particular video as to you just touch them in. It's not anything difficult. And I have no idea what I'm saying there. So here's the other piece that came with it. I'm pretty sure this came with it. So this is, let's see here. And I've got all the specs and everything here. So that's the top piece. So it's a 3-piece mobile system, small part organizer, toolbox, and rolling cart. And it says here the official description features an interconnecting system allowing you to customize the way you transport your tools and accessories. 22-inch deep pro organizer with 12 removable bins for small parts. That's on the top. A 22-inch toolbox with a removable tray. That's what I just showed you, and I took off the bottom unit. And then the bottom unit is 22-inch rolling cart with 7-inch wheel and telescoping cart handle. System is compatible with a Husky Connect, Cantilever toolbox, and organizer. I have no idea what a Connect Cantilever toolbox is. So she's got some stuff in there as well. And here's one I had to buy. I actually had to order this, and they shipped it to me. They did not charge me for shipping. So this is a 2-drawer unit. This is an extra unit that you would purchase. And these are all interchangeable. It's kind of like Legos. Remember the Legos or Duplo blocks? Jeez, I can't say it. Duplo blocks. It's like a Lego system. You just interconnect them, and as you can see, I'm just being an idiot and showing you that you can roll it again. She doesn't have stuff in that, but it's pretty easy. And this thing is pretty neat. This is they label it as the W22 Compartment Connect Cantilever Small Parts Organizer. Okay, that's what they meant when it said Cantilever. Those are the other parts that you have that are sold separately. But it's kind of cool. And the only reason I don't have this set, I got it for her, is to organize her, obviously. And I don't have a lot of things. She has a house. I do not. I got rid of most of my stuff. Just life happened. So I would love to have a set like this if I had things to put them in. So I'll have to, what do they say? I'll have to live vicariously through her. So on that particular set, it hinges together so you can pull out the top, and then you have like an accordion type setup where you have you can put stuff on the bottom level and then the top level, and you can see both at the same time, which I think is pretty cool. And I don't know what I'm doing here. I think I'm trying to get a closer look so you can see closer at the unit. But like I said, that past unit is pretty cool. And like I said, all these pieces you can take off and take mobily. If you don't want the whole set, you can take off one level. And I did indicate it before, that's the only, I think, down part to what she says to me is to the fact that, say, to get to the toolbox, she does have to go down and take off a couple layers to get to the toolbox. I don't find it a big issue. She happened to mention it. I don't think it's a big deal. But so she's got everything in there so far. She's still got a lot of stuff left over to put in it. But yeah, I grabbed the camera. I know this isn't the best as far as it's a little shaky because I am moving the camera around as I'm trying to do things. And there's the levers. You saw those gray levers that I mentioned before, where you just pull them out and then you can unhook it. It's nothing that's difficult. You don't have to play with them. You don't have to fart around with them. You don't have to fight with them to get the stuff off. And that's what's great about this. And so again, we don't do anything major. We're not out on construction sites. It's just there to organize. It's just there to sit. So I don't know if you're into construction and things like that. I'm a computer guy. I'm not a construction guy. So I don't know how mean or what am I trying to say? Not mean, how rough you are with your stuff. So I don't know if it's going to crack if you're really rough out there. It is pretty durable, the whole thing. We won't crack it, I don't think, just because we're just doing normal, everyday, around the house stuff. So this is a closer look right here. And then, so I talked about the drawers. I talked about the two-part, what am I trying to say? The accordion kind of deal. And those were all, I was able to get all those at Home Depot. The only thing I couldn't get at Home Depot was the 2-drawer, a 13-compartment small parts organizer, which, like I said, I just ordered and they shipped it no cost of shipping. And I can tell you on their site, the 36-compartment hand toolbox interlocking small parts organizer is $17.98. That accordion thing that I mentioned is $36.98. This stuff's not really expensive. And the 2-drawer unit is $42.98. And then the entire unit, the starting unit, if you will, with the 3 layers, with the storage unit, the toolbox, and then the organizer at the top, that's about $100. It's $99.98. All right, gals and guys, I'll have the product descriptions down in the description, the product links, I should say. And I didn't get the affiliate links yet for that, so it will go straight to Home Depot. So once I get my affiliate links, if I get my affiliate links, I'll replace them down there. So if you do purchase something, then it will, I'll get a percentage or a kickback or whatever Home Depot wants to give me as far as affiliate program is concerned. But I have nothing to compare this unit to. I haven't used other mobile toolboxes or anything. To me, it's very sturdy and durable. I'm not a construction worker, so I'm not going out and beating this thing up at all. I'm just using it as a normal household toolkit organizer and a mobile toolkit. And I think it's fancy schmancy. I have used it. I have utilized it, and I have taken off a compartment and brought it to something to fix something without having to bring the whole unit with me. And you can put it in any way you want it. It doesn't have to be as it comes. You can put any of the pieces or the other parts or the expansions, I guess is what I'm trying to say. You can rearrange them to any level that you want, depending on how you want to organize it as you stack them. All right, guys and gals, if you appreciate this or any other video, I would appreciate if you would subscribe, because always trying to monetize the channel. That's important, and always trying to reach that goal, and certainly share this with anyone that wants to kind of check out this Husky box. I would recommend it. I don't see anything wrong with it. So again, I don't have anything to compare it to as far as other companies, but I think it's pretty cool. And certainly hit the updates, hit the bell for updates, and hit the thumbs up if you like this video. Okay, gals and guys, I'm just rambling and not knowing what I'm saying, apparently. So I appreciate you as always, and I'll catch you later. Bye-bye.